Are you looking for an alternative device for a huge PC? Well, there are many mini PCs you can go for. They're light, compact, and easy to carry, and at the same time, they get the job done very easily. You can do your basic office tasks in a relatively simple manner and do not have to worry about their weight as they're very close packed. So, we have chosen the top 5 best mini PCs for you that you might consider. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting with number 5, we have the Minix NGC5 Pro, which is a great budget mini PC that will definitely get your attention because it's packed with some good hardware at a great price. So, this device has a durable plastic chassis which reinforces a great build quality. It comes with an i5-1021OU processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB of M2 NVMe storage, which provides a decent performance, letting you do any office task easily. You can also extend the RAM capacity up to 64GB, and the storage can go up to 2TB of space, which makes this a nice future-proof device. As for wireless connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And you also get a SIM card slot that supports 4G or 5G network for reliable communication. In terms of ports, this device has a 3.5mm jack, a microSD slot, 2 USB-A, and a VGA port. On the other side, it includes 2 Ethernet ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, 1 HDMI 2.0, and 1 USB-C, giving you a broad spectrum of options. So, if you're looking for a mini PC that you can use to do all your daily tasks with decent performance, then the Minix NGC5 Pro is a worthy choice. And number 4, we have the HP Z2 Mini G5, which is built to serve the purpose of a workstation. This machine is equipped with an Intel Core i7-10700K processor, 32GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA Quadro T2000, which are very decent hardware providing excellent performance when conducting heavy tasks. You can install up to 1TB of SSD, as well as a 500GB of internal storage, so you won't feel any lack of space when filling up your devices with large files. On the left side of the device, there is a USB-C with Thunderbolt, 2 USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. And on the rear side, there are 3 display ports and a VGA port, along with 2 additional USB-A ports and an Ethernet jack. So, you get a variety of options when it comes to connectivity. Overall, the HP Z2 Mini G5 is an excellent mini PC that serves fine as a workstation, also which you can get under a reasonable price. Now in number 3, we have the Dell Precision 3240, which is built for multitasking that serves the professionals. The device has a simple and elegant look, which is equipped with an Intel Core i7-10700K, up to 32GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA Quadro RTX 3000 series GPU, which makes this device a strong multitasking machine. You can install up to 1TB of M2 NVMe SSD to store large project files. This device is Dell's smallest workstation that has VESA mounting options. It's so compact that you can set it up in a way so that there's zero footprint. The ISV certification is also a factor that could be advantageous if any software you use requires it. On the front, you get a 3.5mm jack and USB 3.2 Type-A port that supports PowerShare. On the back, you get 3 USB Type-A, 2 DisplayPort 1.4, and an Ethernet port. So, if you're a professional and want a mini PC that will serve you fine in terms of productivity, then the Dell Precision 3240 is a great choice. And number 2, we have the Intel NUC 11 Pro, which is a great performance piece that comes with high-end components. This powerful mini PC is equipped with an Intel Core i5 1135G7, 16GB of RAM, and Intel Iris Xe GPU, which altogether can deliver adequate performance for heavy workloads. The storage capacity can go up to 512GB of SSD for faster data transfer. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for fast buffer-free wireless connectivity. With Intel's trusted execution technology, you can conduct measured launch and safe execution, so you can be free from malwares. On the front of the device, you get 2 USB 3 Type-A on the front, and on the rear side, you get 2 Type-C Thunderbolt ports, dual HDMI, and 2 USB Type-A ports. You also get an Ethernet jack for wired connectivity. So, if you're looking for a mini PC for personal use that delivers great performance and some great connectivity options, then the Intel NUC 11 Pro will be a great pick for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mac Mini M1, which is one of the best mini PCs out there because it packs some serious processing power. The device has a square box outlook which is polished with the Apple logo. It packs an Apple M1 processor, 16GB of RAM, along with Apple M1 GPU which packs powerful performance. The storage goes up to 2TB of SSD that can accommodate a colossal amount of information. For faster connectivity, the Mac Mini supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, which will provide as good as wired connections on computers. This phenomenal mini Mac takes very little space, giving you the option to stash it whenever you want. You can easily set it up in a very short amount of time. You'll get 2 Type-C Thunderbolt 3 ports, HDMI output, an Ethernet, and a headphone jack. You'll also get additional Type-A ports. So, if you want a simple and polished mini PC that packs serious performance, then the Mac Mini M1 is a great pick for you. So, that was all about the best mini PC for the office. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.